Kavya Verma of RAI in Ajmer, and I'm really grateful to attend the YD course for the second time here in Ajmer. Young Director course has really enhanced my storytelling skills and taught me how to tell a story through a camera. I've been a part of the school social media handles and also have created frequent short films with the school. I'm really grateful to the Chairman Sir, Managing Director Madam, and our Principal Ma'am for letting me have this opportunity to contribute and be a young director.